Nila ko, teacher, I am.
Hi, good evening. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, wow. It's nice to see you again, Nan. How are you tonight, Nan?
That's
How are
how
you?
Không hiểu luôn. How are you today?
Um, uh,
Dạ.
Are you feeling happy?
Con bài em.
yes.
Are you happy? Wow, that's great. That makes me feel happy too. Okay. Have you eaten dinner yet?
Thì là chi?
Have you eaten
Không biết.
dinner?
Rồi bố hỏi. Vâng.
Meat.
Oh, you had meat? Mm-hmm.
Chưa biết đến đây.
Chưa biết là nó kêu à? Không biết.
Oh, so you
Mình chưa
had
biết.
meat. Okay. Anyway, today we're
À,
going to learn Unit
Nhưng mà biết.
12. Okay, it is all
yes.
about who's got the red balloon. Okay, so do you like playing with a balloon, Nan? Yes or no? Do you like
Yes.
playing a balloon? Wow, that's wonderful. What color of the balloon do you like?
Uh,
Do you like blue balloon, red balloon, green?
blue.
Blue, wow, that's perfect. Okay, but before that, let's learn some vocabulary. Look, listen, and repeat. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Look,
Woman,
Woman.
very
woman,
good.
man, man,
Man.
Nice.
children,
Man.
Great
Children.
job. Okay, now look, look. Who is this?
Woman.
Yes, this is a woman. A woman is a lady, just like teacher AM, mommy, aunt. All right. Now, look, who is this?
Woman didn't know.
Có.
No.
Who is this?
Và. Đọc cho mình.
Man.
Thì.
Yes, this is a man. Very good. Man is a
Thế à? Cô
strong
em à?
old man, just like daddy.
No. Like
Okay.
you.
Man is
Học
someone
online
who
không nhớ không?
is, what do we call that? A boy who is 18 years old. Okay. Or more than 18 years old. Just like daddy, grandpa, like that. Okay. Now, look, who are they? They
Children.
are, yes, I want you to say, they are children. Say, they are children. Say, they are children.
They are children.
Very good. Okay, now look, children are just like these. Okay, but more than one. Just like your brother and you are children. Okay, now let's look at this one. Look, listen, and repeat.
boy,
But
Very good. Okay, so this is a boy just like you. You are a boy. Okay, your brother is also a boy. Now look,
Girl.
oh,
Very good. So she
Girl.
is a girl, just like sister, your classmates, your cousins who are girls. And lastly, we have
Baby.
Baby.
baby. Very good. Okay, are you a baby? Are you a baby? No.
No.
Very good. You're not a baby anymore. Are you a girl?
Mom. Mother.
Wait a minute. Are you a girl?
Yes.
Are you sure? Are you a girl, Nan? Yes or no?
Yes.
No, you're not. You are not a girl. Nan is a boy. Okay?
And
All right. Now, look at this one. Let us review. So, listen carefully. So, look, if we talk about more than one, we add S. Okay, look. Ear. That's only one. One ear. Now, how about two? One, two. Then we add S. Two ears. Okay? Now, look.
yes.
A parrot. Is it one or two? A parrot.
One.
Very good. Okay, now look. Parrots. One or more. Parrot.
More.
One
More.
or more. Very good. So there are three parrots, and this is more than one. So what do we add? We add, what do we add? We add, look, we add
S.
S. Very good. Okay, now look at this one. There are some words that we don't add S. All right. Okay. Even though that they are more than one. Just like this one. Look, a foot. Foot is only one. All right. Now, foot. Is it one or two? Foot. Foot. Singular or plural?
Singular.
Very good. Okay. Now, how about feet? Singular or plural?
Plural.
Great job. So look, a foot, only one, 2 feet, okay, plural. So foot and feet are what we call irregular nouns. We don't add S if we're talking about more than one. Okay, there is no S here. There's more. Look, a child, singular or plural? A child. Look, a child. Is this singular or plural? Look, a
Singular.
child. Very good. Now, how about children? Singular or plural?
Plural.
Very good. Do we add S? Yes or no? Do we add S? Yes or no? Look, do we add S? Yes or no?
Yes.
No, we don't add S. Okay, because this is still irregular. Okay? All right. Now, look, we have here a mouse. Now, how about if we're talking about five of them? We don't say five mouses. No, we say five mice. Okay? All right. Now look at this one. We have here woman. Is it one or two? Woman.
One.
One. Very good. Now, what is the plural of woman? Do we add S? Yes or no? Do we
Singular.
add S? Is this singular? Yes, this is singular. Very good. What is the plural of woman? Okay, look, we have here women. Okay, that's the plural. Another one, your turn. Man. This is singular, only one. Now, what is the plural of man? What's the plural of man? We have men. 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 That's plural. Okay? All right. So listen carefully again. Some words are irregular. So we don't add S. Is that clear? Okay. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. All right. Now listen carefully. Okay. So here we're going to have a test. So there are words that talks about people, just like baby, boy, girl, woman, man. So make sure that you can spell them correctly. All right? Okay. Now look at this one. Listen. We use man, okay, if we're talking about more than one, which is two or more. Okay, then women, if we're talking about more than one, two. Okay, one woman, two women. Okay, now look, is this plural or singular? Is this plural or singular?
Plural.
Very good. Is this plural or singular? Is this plural or singular?
Singular.
Very good. All right. Now, let's do this. All right. Now, look. One man plus one woman is equal to two. What's that? Two people. All right. Now, your turn. Look. One man plus two women plus one boy is equal to, okay, one plus two plus one. How many? Look, one man, two women, one boy. So how many people?
All people.
That's right. Very good. Now, your turn. Okay, look and read, then tell me your answer. Look. Two boys plus three girls equal. Wow, very good. Wow, very good. Five people. Nice. Okay, five people or five children. Why? Because we have boys and girls. So when we say boys, they are young. Girls are also young, just like your age. So they are children. Okay? All right, now let's do one more time. So how about this one? Three girls plus, okay, four women equals your turn again. Look,
Con không biết học giờ con thoát. Con học mà nằm mà để bóng tập trung con đừng học. Học từ
your
anh hay sách vở
turn.
đã học.
Three
Đó.
girls plus four women is equals to. What's your answer, Nan?
Hmm. 7 people.
Yes, very good. Okay, now another one. Three girls. All right, let me put it here. Three girls plus two babies equals. Three girls plus two babies is equal to.
5 people.
How many? How many?
5 people.
Yes, five. Very good. But look, we have girls and babies. What do you call them? We call them children. All right. So we put here five children. Okay. All right. Now, what about this one? Okay. Look, children and kid are the same. Okay. But kids is informal. If we are learning English, it's better to say children. Okay. For formal uses of languages. Now, let's look at this one. Wow, what a beautiful picture. Okay, look, look. What can you see here, Nan? Look, what can you see? Look, Nan, what can you see?
I can see 10 pupils.
Wow, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. Okay, what else can you see? There are 10 people. Anything else? Anything else? What else? Okay, look, look. What is this?
A horse.
That's right. How about this one?
A dog.
It's a dog. Nice. All right. Now, let's look at this. Wow, what are we going to do? Let's find the words and write them on the lines. Let me give you an example. Look, we have here, hmm, who's that? Who's that? Okay, that is a baby. Okay, now let's circle the baby. Very good. Now we write it here. Baby. All right. What else can you see? How about this one? Oh, wow. There you go. We have women. Nice. What else? Woman. Great job. Boy. Very good. Girl. Okay, check the spelling. Nice. Children. Very good. All right. Man, man. Amazing. And we have kids. Wow. Okay. Now let's check your answer. Baby, boy, children, man, man, women, woman, kids. Great job. So for this one, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So you got 8 out of 9 here. Now, let's look at this one. What is the spelling of girl? So we have it G I
I,
R
I, L.
L. That's right. Letter L. Oh, maybe you are writing letter L like this one, right? Is that how you write letter L?
Yes.
Ah, okay. So this is also a correct spelling. I'm sorry, I thought that's letter E. So you got it. You've got a perfect score. Wow. Give me a high five, Nan. Yay, perfect. All right. So for that one, you have 9 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's wonderful. Okay, look at the picture again. What's the baby doing? Look, where is the baby? What's the baby doing?
Now, one baby.
Where is the baby? Look for the baby. Where is it? Where? Where is the baby? Very good. Okay, now what is the baby holding? He is holding. Look, what what is he holding? He's holding a. Okay, what do you call this one? It is a. What's that? It's a balloon. All right. Now look at the horse. Who is holding the horse? Who is holding the horse? Is it a boy? Is it a kid? Is it a man, a woman, or a girl? Who is holding the horse? Who's holding the horse?
Yes.
All right. So the woman is holding the horse. Now, last one, your turn. Okay. Who is holding the dog?
Boy.
Is it a boy or a man? Is it a
A
boy or a
dog.
man? It's a man. Okay, now look. When we say boy, this is a kid. But when we say man, it's adult. Who are adult men? Just like father, grandfather, and teachers. Okay, as long as they are 18 years old above. All right. Now,
Yeah.
kid. A kid is 17 years under. Like that. All right. Now, let's look at the dog. Who's playing the dog here? Who's playing the dog?
A boy.
Who's playing with the dog? Who are they? They are?
Then sugar.
Yes, they are two girls. Very good. Okay, now last one, last one. Who is flying a kite? Who's flying a kite? It's a who's flying a kite? It is a.
A boy.
That's right. Give me a high five again. Yay! Wow. Okay, so for today, we learned girl. Okay, girl. What else? We also learned boy, man, woman, women, then kids. All right. So you have 9 stars in total. I hope you learned something. Bye-bye, Nan.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.